Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on UMA token. My last video on UMA was in December 2020, and this was a video where I told you that UMA is going to hit $20. And if we take a look at the January 2021, then we can see after that, after December, we had a very powerful long rally up to $43.99, and now the UMA has again moved down at this very strong support at $8, and from here it is getting reversed bullish towards the upside. And after this analysis, my recent analysis on UMA was this one that I shared recently at the Patreon for my members on July 30, when I told them that the price action has formed another harmonic bullish reversal move. And this was a very small time frame, 4-hourly time frame chart. And let me play this chart and show you how the price line behaved after that. This was in fact a bullish harmonic reversal shark pattern, and the price action entered the buying zone. And after playing the chart, we can see that it has even rallied beyond the sell targets, which I defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish chart. And now it has formed another very big bullish harmonic reversal bat move. Sorry, this is the Gardley move. This time it has formed. And I've also shared this idea at the Patreon, and in today's video, I'm going to share all these buying and sell targets, this complete trading idea of UMA token with you as well. So don't skip the video. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, because I'm sharing the different trading ideas here on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. And if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then you can also subscribe to this channel as well, and do like the video as well. Now let's move to the live weekly time frame chart first, and then I'll take you to the current trading idea as well, and I'll show you the complete buying and sell targets, what can be our buying targets, buying range, and what can be our sell targets. Now here we can see that here the price action accumulated very well above this support of $8, and after this accumulation we had a very nice rally up to $44, and then the price action retraced up to this level. Again, we had another move, and again the price line accumulated at this $8 support. This is a key level support now for the UMA token, and now after getting reversed from here, it has broken out the next resistance of $12, and now it has reached to the next resistance of $15, and I'm expecting that soon it will also break out this a $15 resistance, and it will move to this $20 resistance again to break it out. And we can see that previously we've already seen that this $8 was working as a very nice support, because this is our, and now this is our key level support. And then we had this next resistance, $12, that has been breaking as a resistance here, and here as well. And this time the price line has easily broken out this resistance, and now it has stopped here at $15 resistance level. And previously we can see that it has been working as a support here. When this candlestick was open here, you can watch the opening price here, and this is the high price, and this is the lowest price, and this is the closing price. And you can see when this candlestick was open on the weekly time frame, we had the highest price at $20.31, and the lowest price was $15.10. So this level worked as a support here, and again worked as a resistance here. In my point of view, it is quite weak resistance. This $20 can be very strong, because it has been working as a support previously for so many previous weeks. Like here, it has been breaking as a resistance. We had the highest price was $20.31, but we could not have the closing above this level, and the candlesticks dropped down. And for here for the several weeks it has been breaking as a support, therefore we can have some trouble here. Now recently the price action has also broken out this EMA 21 weekly. This red one is the EMA 21 weekly, and now it is retesting this EMA 21 weekly. Therefore, this is very important movement for the UMA token, and especially for the UMA token holders as well, because the price line should hold this level. This is very important level of support, EMA 21 on the weekly time frame. Then we have the EMA 10, and this EMA 10 is moving towards the upside. Once we will have a cross between EMA 10 and 21 like we had here, then we can expect more powerful rally towards the upside. Now I want to show you very important indicators that I have placed here, like the MACD, and this is the oscillator, and this is the directional movement in the index. And you can see that previously we received a buying signal by the directional movement index, and we also received the buying signal by the stochastic as well. It just gave the buying signal from this oversold zone. At that time on the weekly time frame, as per Binance chart, the MACD was not available. However, if we move to the UMA with Bitcoin pair on the Binance charts, then we can see that in the month of January 2021, we received this buying signal, or this MACD started turning bearish from strong bearish to weak bearish. That was a kind of buying signal, a bullish signal as well. We had a very nice rally, and this is the month when the price line crossed touched the $44 with the US dollar pair. Now, if we switch back to the US dollar chart, the UMA with US dollar pair, then we can see that we have again received these buying signals. We have received the buying signal here by the stochastic from the oversold zone. This blue line has crossed up this orange line, and again this directional movement, this blue line has crossed up this orange line. The positive directional index has crossed up the negative directional index, and once this ADX will be moved up, that will be showing the power of buyers, because whenever we have this orange line above the blue line and ADX moves up, that shows the power of sellers or bears. Right now we have this blue line above this orange line. Therefore, if this ADX, this red line, will be moved up, then it will be showing the power of bulls. So we have received so many buying signals by the oscillators and indicators, and the price action has also broken out the EMA 21 weekly. And after breaking out this EMA 21 weekly, it is testing this exponential moving average 21 on the weekly time frame chart. Like previously, it broke out here and retested this exponential moving average 21 and started the next rally towards the upside. Now, after this test, we can expect such move again if the oscillators will be turning more and more bullish. And this is the weekly time frame. On the weekly long-term time frames, the oscillators and indicators can give quite firm signals, especially when we have this very huge big bullish harmonic reversal pattern as well. And this is the perfect textbook Gartley formation. You can see that after this initial leg, it has retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, then projected between 0.382 to 0.886, and retraced at least up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. Now, to trade the Gartley pattern, the textbook idea, the textbook method is to set this X leg as your stop loss and try to wait for the reversal move. Now we can see here the 7.786 retracement has been completed. This is our D leg. And now if we wait for the reversal, then we can see that the reversal has been started and the price action did not break down this X leg. The pattern is very big. Therefore, if we would set our stop loss here at X leg, that would be a very big stop loss, because that is approximately at $7. That will be more than 100% drop from here, 50% drop from here. Therefore, I've also found another support here that is at $10. So we can set our stop loss at $10 and we can take this trade. And this is not a financial advice. These are just the Fibonacci calculations of the Gartley move that I normally share with you. And as per the Fibonacci sequence, our targets can be from $25.47 to $37.58. These can be our sell target, and the buying range can be from $14.18 $14.18 to $10, and right now you can see that we are in this buying zone, and this can be a very huge move, like we have seen that on the 4 hourly time frame chart. When the price action was reverse bullish from this harmonic patterns potential reversal zone, the price action even rallied beyond the sell targets I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence. And this is bigger pattern. This is on the weekly time frame chart it has formed. Therefore, we can expect that the price action can make another attempt to break out this all-time high that is approximately $44. And this time, once the price line will start a very massive move from here. In fact, that move has been started. We can see that soon the price action will also try to break out the final resistance or all-time high of $44. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, then I have also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.